guys, I lost a bet with the Renee's, so I had to do a recipe with M&M's. So we're calling this M&M Mania. So let's get to it. The first thing we're gonna do is, you see those peanuts?
Yep, we've got a jar of dry roasted peanuts here.
We're gonna go all in the bottom of the dish.
Alright, so the peanuts are in, and we have our pan. We greased it up before, so nothing will stick. And Krystal told me we're gonna do M&M's next.
The whole bag.
Alright, M&M's are in, looking good. What should we do next?
Now the rest of the honey.
Alright, got a little bit of honey left in here, so we'll go ahead and drizzle the rest of that on top of the M&M's. Alright, the honey is in. What's next, Krystal?
And that was the last of it, so I gotta buy honey next time I go to the store.
Yep.
So now we're gonna use the peanut butter, all of it.
Alright, we've got a Skippy creamy peanut butter here. Any peanut butter you have will do. Alright, peanut butter is on. This is looking really good. Krystal says we are doing pretzels next. Here they are. Alright, pretzels are on. What should we do next?
Last but not least, marshmallows.
Marshmallows. There they are. Should we do a nice layer on top?
Yep.
Alright, marshmallows are on. And we're going to pop our lid on and get this in the oven for 20 minutes with the lid on and 20 minutes with the lid off. Alright, it is done. It looks great. And we've cut a slice, and Robert is going to do a taste test.
Hello. Cool.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.